In this video, we will learn about IR drivers in SIMPL Windows. Most common IR control applications use system-generated IR to control third-party devices. The system can generate functions that were available on the device's remote control. Infrared remote control consists of serial data transmitted via pulses of infrared light. IR signals are usually modulated by a carrier signal. This carrier signal typically has a frequency of approximately 40 kHz. However, some can go as high as 1 MHz. IR is one-way communication. There is no feedback from the controlled equipment acknowledging that a command was accepted. Another IR control disadvantage is the line of sight between the control system and the control device. The workaround, Crestron provides an IR probe that provides a wired connection from the control system to the IR receiver on the control device. Carefully locate the IR emitter probe's IR emitter next to the target device's IR receiver. The Crestron Electronics IR Learner, CSP-LIR, is used to learn codes that the device's remote sends to control a piece of equipment. The Device Learner tool and toolbox used with the CSP-LIR device allows programmers to create, modify, and test driver files. Programmers can then store the learned.ir files in the user database for use in their SIMPL Windows programs. The Crestron database contains pre-coded IR driver files available for use. We will start in Configure mode in SIMPL Windows. In the Device Library section, find and expand the User Devices folder. Expand the Crestron Database folder. You can select the View to Database sorted by manufacturer name or device type. We will expand the By Manufacturer folder. You can now see a list of manufacturers the database supports. We will look for an IR driver for a Sony BDP series Blu-ray player. Click on the By Manufacturer folder. On the keyboard, type the letter S, and the list will jump down to the first name that starts with an S. You could type Sony rapidly and jump to the Sony folder. We will scroll down from where we are to the Sony folder and expand it. Now expand the DVD folder. Locate the BDP series IR driver. IR drivers will have the red starburst above them. By right-clicking on the BDP series IR driver in the device library, you can access additional functions. Using Add Device to the System will add it to the first available IR port. Add multiple copies to the device will add more than one copy starting at the first unused port. Specifying more copies than empty ports will generate a warning and only add the IR driver to the available ports. By selecting Show IR Functions, you can view the supported commands. You can also drag and drop the IR driver to the desired port. Now that the IR driver is loaded to the port, we can switch back to the program mode and locate the IR driver. Expand the central control modules in the program view. Then locate the IR ports and expand that. Port 1 should show the Sony BDP IR driver. Double-click the port or driver to expand it into the detail view. We can now add the digital signals that will trigger the driver to deliver the desired IR functions. These signals typically come from digital press joins or smart objects like a DNAV pad. This completes this video on IR drivers in SIMPL Windows.